learning objectives, right? Identify possible different types of test data means normal, boundary, extreme, and abnormal or erroneous data. Sometimes boundary data and extreme data are different. Sometimes they are considered as same. So we will discuss then when we should use boundary data and when we should use extreme data. And the second learning objective is that learners identify examples of each type for a range of given situations as test data. In exam, a situation is given other than pre-release material. Sometimes this topic is used in pre-release material, sometimes it is used other parts of the paper other than the pre-release material, right? You are asked to identify according to situation which data should be used as pre-release material, as normal or abnormal or extreme or boundary, right? You are very late now. Firstly, we must know that mute your mic. A set of data that is used to check algorithm is known as test data. Test data is basically a data set which is used to check correctness of your algorithm. We have four different types of test data: normal, abnormal, extreme, and boundary. Normal data, we say a data is considered normal if it lies within the range, it is accepted by algorithm, and a data which works. Like when we give this data, the algorithm performs some action, uh, and a data which produces the required result. If you are asked to calculate average, and to calculate average we need some data. If you are entering some data and on the basis of that data an algorithm produces an average, so we say that this is a normal test data. Suppose we have three examples and in these examples we are asked to give test data. Our situation is that input three different values. If we are asked to input three different values, the test data will be 10, 20, 30, right? We are asked to input marks out of
Assalamualaikum.
100. Walaikum assalam. So these will be considered 95, 29 and 78 will be considered as normal data. Yes, Mohad. Do you want to say something?
नहीं सर बस
Sup-
सलाम
okay. Suppose you are asked to input age between 18 and 60 and you have entered 20, 45, 50. These are considered as normal data because these data are inside this range. These data items are out of 100 and these are three different values, right? Then the second type of test data is known as abnormal data. Abnormal data is basically opposite to normal data. In abnormal data, its features are opposite to normal data. Normal data, we say that a data which is inside the range, which is accepted by algorithm, which works and which produces required result is normal data. So the data which is outside the range, which is rejected, that does not work and that does not produce required result is considered as abnormal data. For example, you are asked to input three different values and you have entered 101010, it will be abnormal data. You are asked to input marks out of 100 and you have enter 195 to 29, right, and 101, or SIXTY, these will be considered as abnormal data because these are outside the range and this is incorrect data type. If you are asked to input age of employees between 18 and 60, so 10, 95 and 80, these are considered as abnormal data because they are outside the range. Then we have third type of test data. This type of test data is known as extreme data. Basically, extreme data consists of minimum and maximum values. If minimum and maximum values are given, we say that this is an extreme data, right? For example, you are asked to input marks out of 100 and you have entered 0 and 100. 0 is the minimum value and 100 is the maximum value, so it will be considered as extreme data. Age of employees between 18 and 60, so 18 will be minimum and 60 will be maximum, so these are considered as extreme data. But sometimes we have two values at each limit. We have two values at each limit. If we have two values at each limit, one value will be at each margin, at each limit. One value will be accepted and other will be rejected. These type of data are known as boundary data, right? For example, we are asked to enter marks out of 100 or we are calculating percentage. The range of percentage is between 0 and 100. And we are using two values, -1 and 0. -1 is outside the range and 0 is inside the range. So we say that these values are boundary data. -1 is rejected and 0 is accepted. On the other margin, if we are using 100 and 101, 100 will be accepted and 101 will be rejected. So we may say that 100 is extreme data, 0 is extreme data, or we may say that 100 is boundary data and 0 is boundary data. That's why we use in your syllabus document, the terms are used in this way. Normal data, number one. Abnormal or extreme data. Number two, there are minor difference between minor and boundary and extreme data. And the third concept is abnormal or erroneous data. These are same now, abnormal erroneous data. But here between boundary and extreme data, there is a minor difference. When we are going to solve the question, we will check it. When should we use extreme data and when we should use a boundary data? Suppose in a situation, in a question, in a situation in the question, it is mentioned that allowed age is lesser than 15. Means 15 is not an extreme value because lesser than 15 is allowed. So we cannot use 15 as extreme data because it is not a maximum value. 15 is not maximum value. If you enter 15, it will be rejected. In this situation, if a real data type is used, we will write down 14.9. It is lesser than 15, so it will be accepted. And if you are writing 15 it is outside the range, so it will be rejected, right? So, and if integer data type is used, so 14 will be accepted and 15 will be rejected, because in integer we don't use any decimal point. So if in a question it is mentioned that weight of blocks are asked to enter and allowed weight is more than 50, so 50 is not accepted, right? So we cannot use extreme data in this situation, because in extreme data we have a maximum value or minimum value. Allowed weight is more than 50, it means 50 is not the minimum value, so we will not use extreme data. Here we will use boundary data. 50 will be rejected, and 50.1, that is if it is a real type of data, or 51 if it is an integer type of data, will be accepted. It depends upon the question, it depends upon the data item. We should consider that we should be able to consider to decide that it is an integer or it is a real value. Sometimes it is given in question and sometimes we have to identify ourselves. Now we will solve past paper question on. Before reading and solving the question related to test data, we have another concept that should be known to us, and this is a term that is rogue value. Rogue value is basically a value that is used to stop the input. Like here, a number of marks are to be input, means we don't know how many marks are there. The input is terminated by -1, so we say that -1 is a rogue value. In this question you may say the flowchart below inputs the weight of number of parcels in kilograms. Parcels weighing more than 25 kg are rejected. -1 stops the input, so we say that this is a rogue value. Now suppose you are asked to suggest test data in this example, right? So we will suggest a test data. First will be normal, the second will be abnormal, and then we will decide should we use extreme data here or should we use boundary data. Yes beta, what should we use over here? Firstly you will, Zoya, what will be normal data in this situation? Zoya. Okay, Alibaba. Alibaba. Ali Wajdan.
10.
10 will be normal data, right? Okay, suppose you are asked to input enter write down at least two values now. So 10
15.
and another with 15. The reason is that
20.
inside the range, right, should be accepted. Inside the range, right? Now Hadia, abnormal data. Hadia,
27.
27, very good. Another value.
50.
50, 50 na? Outside the range must be rejected. Now
Sir,
Ali
इसमें
will
negative
start.
value आ सकती है?
It will be better that you will not use the negative value, because the minimum value is not given na. Negative value may be possible कि negative value आ जाए, but it will be better that you answer your question. What we say be specific to question ना, be specific to question, right? Negative value आ सकती है. Even you may write down 5 FIV. It will also abnormal value. FIV is written in integer. You may write down minus 15, right? चलिए भाई. Now Ali Vijdan,
Yes, sir.
should we use extreme data or should we use boundary data in this situation?
Boundary data.
Boundary. Acha, in this situation, do we have minimum or maximum value?
We only have one range. It says more than 25 are rejected.
Means we have maximum value,
Yes,
which is
more than 25.
maximum value, which is accepted.
25.
25 is accepted now. So we may say that this is extreme data.
Yes.
And if you want to use boundary data, then what will be data set? If I am using, suppose I am writing extreme data. For extreme data, I will write down 25, right? It is maximum acceptable value now,
Yes.
right? Acha, if you are asked to write down boundary data, then what will you write?
We will write the other side of the range. The minimum.
No, minimum is not mentioned ना.
सर तो हम 25.5 26 और 25 लिख सकते हैं.
नहीं, एक अंदर होती है और एक बाहर होती है.
So 25 will be inside, and now there is a confusion that it is a real data type or it is integer. Weight is integer or real?
Real.
So we should use 25 and 25.1, or we should use, if we are using one decimal place, if we are using two decimal places, then 25 and 25.01, right?
Yes.
Or we should use 25 and 6.
0-1 वाला यूज करें.
No. This is the other side, na?
जी सर 25 और 25.1.
25 and 25.1. So what you will write, 25 and 25.1. 25 will be accepted and 25.1 will be rejected.
Sir, यहाँ पे 26
now
क्यों नहीं लिखा?
if we are assuming that this is real, if we are assuming that this is integer, then obviously we will use 25 and 26.
ठीक है.
It depends upon our assumption now. It depends upon our assumption. You may write 25.01 if you are using for 2 decimal places, up to 2 decimal places. Then, right, we may use 26 as all the other values are without any decimal point. Right? It depends. Okay, next. Now, here is a question. This question was set in winter 2015 paper 2 variant 1. This is question number 4. Yes, Ahmed Mirza. This is question number 4. Means this is not part of pre-release material. Right? Huzaifa Ayaz. Read the question.
A routine checks the weight of melons to be sold in the supermarket.
Yes.
Melons weighing under 0.5 kilograms are rejected and melons weighing over 2 kilograms are rejected. Give an example of each type of test data for this routine. Normal, extreme, abnormal.
Yes. How many marks are there? 3. Do you want to, do you are asked to describe or explain or give reason?
Example dena sir.
Example.
Just you will give example. Just example. No description is required. Right? Yes, Uzaifa. Normal.
One.
Is there a range given?
1.5.
Yeah,
जी,
Mohit, let
1.5.
him solve. You will
जी,
solve the next question, Mohit. Yes. The range is
The range previous
0.5
0.5 se
to
below or
2.
2 se above.
Okay, now normal. At least two data
One.
items. 1.0 will be better than okay, 1.0 and
1.5.
1.5. Very good. Extreme.
आपने एक एग्जांपल मान लिया.
Extreme 2 or
Oh,
2.1.
one example is required. Yes.
2
Extreme.
or 2.1.
Extreme 2.1.
2 or 2.1.
नहीं 2.1 तो रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा ना सर.
Yes, that will be
वही तो.
boundary data, na? If you are
0.5
using
और
2 होगा.
0.5, na? In extreme, we have minimum or maximum value. That
फिर
is,
तो 2
you
भी लिख
are
सकते हैं ना.
saying you may use to. And abnormal
Abnormal 2.5.
2.5. You may use right. All these are abnormal. Now, examiner's comments and there. Yes. This is examiner's comments. Yes, Uzaifa. Uzaifa, read the examiner comments.
Most candidates could identify at least one correct example of test data. Examples of normal and abnormal test data were usually correct. Some candidates' examples of extreme test data were incorrect. A correct example of extreme test data would be 0.5 or 2.0.
Right? Someone says 2.1. Basically, 2.1 is boundary data. Right? Right? Now, here they have you. Better marking is one possible correct answer. Huh? It is not all possible correct answers. So, you may say for this, na, it is these are the only possible. So 1.7, 0.5 or 2.0, any one of them or 1. Now, Mohad, it's your turn. Mohad, it is your turn. Read the question. Yes. Yes.
Routine check the age and height of children who are allowed to enter a play area. The children must be less than 5 years of age and under 1 meter in height. The first set of test data used is age 3 and height 0.82 meters. State what type of data type this is.
Yes.
Normal.
ये normal है.
Less
Normal.
less than 5 and less than 1.
And under
Right?
1 meter.
1.00 we may use. Huh? Okay. Now, it is normal. And reason inside the range.
Yes.
Will be accepted by algorithm. You have obtained 2 marks, right? Yes. Mohit?
सर जब वो बाउंड्री डेटा मांगेंगे तो हम एक बिल्कुल एक्सट्रीम डेटा की एग्जांपल देंगे और एक उसके बाहर.
हाँ, but here we don't have extreme data, na? In this example.
मैं randomly पूछ.
Yes. Just after that, na? Right? Now, set 1. Yes, Mohit.
सर तो हम इसमें abnormal कर लेते हैं set 1.
अच्छा, how we will write? We will write as the way they have used, right? Age 3 and height 0.82. Now here, set 1. We will write age.
Age मतलब 6 लिख देंगे.
6.
Age 6 and height 1.5. 1.5 meter.
1.5. 1.50. Right?
Okay.
Now,
टाइप में लिख देंगे कि एबनॉर्मल डेटा टाइप,
एबनॉर्मल,
और रीजन लिख देंगे कि आउटसाइड द रेंज है, एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगी।
okay. Now the second type, second test, the second test data.
इसके अंदर हम कर लेते हैं बाउंड्री,
Okay,
एक्सट्रीम करना।
what is extreme?
एक्सट्रीम होगा इसका, अगर एज देखेंगे तो फिर 5 है,
Beta, under 5 is allowed, 5 is not
नहीं
allowed.
तो फिर
Except it is
4 होगी। एक्सट्रीम अगर है ना तो फिर 4 होगी, और हाइट होगी 1 हो सकती है।
no, under 1 meter,
Sir,
0.99.
4.9 नहीं होगा?
Yes, there is confusion now. So it will be better that we use boundary data. We will use boundary data. So 5 will be outside the range and 4.9 will be inside the range if we are using 1 decimal place, or if we are using only 4 integer data item, then we will use 4. And for height we will use 1 meter outside the range and 0.09, because they have used 2 decimal places now. They have used 2 decimal places over here. So we will use 0.9. Now, Musab, tell me the data. Set 2. Age. Good.
नेट खराब हो गया था, क्या हुआ?
Age. Test data. Age.
कौन से वाले थे?
Boundary data. We are using boundary data. Age.
अच्छा, तो एज हम लेंगे बाउंड्री के लिए
4.9 and 5, right?
अगर हम इसमें रियल ले रहे हैं,
what you want? You want to use in integer? You may use.
कर लेते हैं, ज्यादा सही
Okay,
रहेगा।
okay, it's okay. And height?
हाइट फिर हम ले
But we
सकते
cannot
हैं
use
1 पर, हाँ
1.00 and 0.99.
0.9,
No, they have used 2 decimal places now, beta. They have used 2 decimal. 0.99, right? So what will we say? This is boundary data.
हम इसमें लिख देंगे बाउंड्री डेटा।
Age.
reason होगा 1 will be accepted and 1 will not be accepted.
Age 4 will be accepted and 5 will be rejected. Height 1.00 will be rejected and 0.99 will be accepted, right? Age 4 will be accepted. Here we have assumed that the data is in integer, age is integer and height is in real, right? And 5 will be rejected. Now, is there any confusion regarding boundary data? Yes, students. Now we are clear about the boundary data. Now we are clear.
सर अगर हम इधर एक्सट्रीम लिखते तो हम
Yes.
इधर एज 4 और हाइट 0.99 लिख देते बस।
How? Age 4 and height 0.9. 0.99. Yes, you are right. If you are using extreme data, it means we can use extreme data in
क्या
place
लेते
of.
अगर एक्सट्रीम लेते हैं?
This is the maximum acceptable value.
ठीक है,
Right? It will be the maximum acceptable value, na beta? No? Suppose we are using.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
What we say? Yes, age 4, 5 and height 0.99 99 and 1. Boundary data, right?
सर इसका रीजन दोबारा बताएंगे बाउंड्री डेटा का?
Yes, age 4 will be accepted and 5 will be rejected. Basically, in boundary data, at each margin we use two data items. One inside the range, one is basically inside the range, like at the margin, and the second one will be outside the range but will be at the margin, right? So for if we are considering that the age is an integer and under 5 years is allowed, so 4 is inside the margin but at the margin, and 5 is outside the margin but adjacent to margin. So yes
सर, तो अगर हमने इंटीजर लिया था हमें लिखना होगा कि रीजन में कि
no,
इंटीजर हम ले
no, there is no need, because they have used two data item. Now in one data item they have themselves used decimal points, so we will assume,
okay,
or you may assume it, you may write down 4.9 and 5.0.
okay.
Acha, age 4 will be accepted and 5 will be rejected. Height 0.9 will be accepted. Means we have solved our question according to we have written our answer according to our question. Yani we are specific to our question. In our question they have used 4 of under 5 and under 1, and in an example they have used 3 and 1.88, right, in the example. So we consider that we take it that it is 0.82. Now they have used real value over here and they have used integer value over here. So we have assumed that age is in integer and height is in real. Height 0.99 will be accepted and 1 will be right, students. And then we have some more questions. I will share these questions, then you can solve these questions. Now I am going to mark your attendance. You will see your attendance. You will not leave until I am